What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Before we start, we just want to let you guys know that we're going to be having a spring cleaning sale going on right now at carshopboom.com. All the t-shirts and merch that we sell will be $25 with free shipping anywhere in the United States. So make sure you guys head over to carshopboom.com. Links will be in the description. Again, all proceeds will help us create content for you guys. So thank you guys so much for the support. Head over to carshopboom.com right now and cop yourself some merch. So if you guys seen the last episodes, you know that we got the wrong color in the mail. This is the color we got. This is not the color we wanted. We did end up doing some test panels and it actually came out pretty good. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, it's the previous video. But we were able to get our original color. The reason why we decided to stick with the original color is because the color that we got is the color that we wanted. But also the bodywork isn't the greatest. This color I think hides the bodywork a lot better than if we were to do that really pearl orange. So with that being said, guess what color this is, all right? We're gonna try this one more time. Pause the video. You guys got like 30 seconds. Go ahead, jump down in the comment section below and guess the color. No cheating. If you've been following the channel for a minute, you might already know what color this is. It ended up being a color that I really like. If that's not a big enough hint, I don't know what is. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this bad boy right now. You know what'd be crazy? If they gave us the wrong color again.
It's the same orange.
It's the same color, yeah. Damn. Okay, ready. Shake it up for good luck.
Guess what color it is.
I hope it's the color that we ordered. Are you guys ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
It's the right color. So if you guys know, we actually did my 350Z in this color. It was kind of like a last minute decision to like do yellow, and it ended up turning out really good. We're gonna go ahead and pair it with some pearls that we got here in this bag. Oh, we might as well open this too because I didn't even check to see if this is the right pearl that I ordered. This is the right pearls right here. This is the one, this is the color. So, with that being said, guys, we are gonna go yellow, the same yellow that we did on my 350Z. If you guys wanna see what the color looks like already painted, you can go back and watch the 350Z build videos. That car was actually one of my favorite cars. I'm glad that we are able to build another car and pay homage to the 350Z and go with the same color. I think it's gonna look awesome. Yellow just ended up becoming my color, just like pink is Christine's color. So I'm super stoked to see what this car is gonna look like. I know that there's, you know, a good handful of yellow 240s out there, but this is gonna be my yellow 240. So I'm super excited about that. We can actually go ahead and paint the jams now. We're super bummed because we worked like all day running errands and stuff, and then it ended up being this color. So let us know in the comment section below, do you like this color better? Or do you like this color better? Which one do you think? I prefer the yellow all day, baby. Let's go. So we're super stoked. We're gonna go ahead and paint the jams. The car is already primed, the back half. We just have to work on the fenders. The fenders is like the main thing that I wanna make sure fits well. I'm actually not super stoked on the way that it fits. So I might be in the market for some new fenders, but I might just make this work since I already have it. I don't want to spend more money on this car, to be honest, because we got another project coming in a few months, so I don't really want to waste money on this. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and mock up the fender a little bit better, you know, get it to flex and bend in the spots that we need it to. And then I also want to chop some of the fender because this car has angle on it, so it actually hits. So if you guys can see already, we already cracked the fender down here. Yes, the car is bagged, so I'll raise it up, but I don't want to put it too high. If you guys watch the drift video, I had to jack it up super high in the front because it would hit. So I'm gonna try and maybe radius this a little bit, but I also might have to modify the bumper. Now this is a legit Car Modify Wonder kit, and I don't really want to cut it up, but if I gotta cut it up, I'm gonna cut it up. So It does hit just a little bit. I might be able to get away with cutting it a little bit, but it kind of hurts cutting up an expensive kit. So we're gonna go ahead and figure that out, but it's really just the front end that needs to be done. The hood is already, I'm happy with the hood. The bumper just needs a little bit touch-ups, but like I said, this is the main thing holding us back right now is the fenders itself. So if you guys know about fitment and stuff like that, this is like the most important part, right? So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up, and I hope you guys stick around for the journey. This thing is gonna be so sick. I can't believe that this car is gonna be painted soon. It's been a long time coming. And then right after that, we're gonna go ahead and pull the motor. But like I said, well, I don't know if I told you guys, but I do wanna do one more drift event before we get like the motor pulled out and stuff like that. So we're gonna leave the motor as it is, the engine bay as it is, you know, since it works right now. We do have a drift event in about a month or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait on the motor rebuild or refresh and just leave it in the car. And hopefully we can get this car out to the drift event looking sick AF. I'm super stoked. This car's gonna be cherry. I'm super stoked that they finally sent us the right color. It's been a minute. We waited. The car has been sitting, guys. The car has been sitting like this for at least a week and a half now with us not being able to do anything. The reason why we primed the half of the car is because we couldn't paint the jams. So now that we got the paint in the correct color, we can finally get moving on this project. So now we can paint the jams, and I do have a little bit of a dilemma, all right? Now, I know what the correct answer is, but I'm gonna try and justify the wrong solution. So, I'm not like 100% happy with the bodywork on the rear fenders. As you guys know, this is a widened rear over fender that we molded in. Now, to be completely transparent with you guys, the bodywork, like we said, isn't the best. And it's honestly, it's not super bad, but it's just enough for me to be like, ooh, maybe we should fix that. Now, you can't really tell too much with the white primer, but in the certain angles and in the sun, it's noticeable. Now, white usually hides a good amount of bodywork, so that's the only reason why. If I could see it with the white, we're gonna see it with the yellow, with the pearl especially. So, I'm trying to justify not doing it, but I know the right answer is to do it. But this car is a drift car, and if you guys see in the previous videos, we love to blow up fenders, or Christine loves to blow up fenders. We'll throw in some clips right now.
Yeah.
It's part of drifting.
Damn. No clips.
So anyway, yeah, I'm trying to justify not redoing these fenders because this car is pretty much ready to be sprayed in my eyes. I was debating on fixing like these little stretch cracks and stuff like this that happen. But then again, you know, like I plan on taking the car drifting, and I know that I'm probably gonna mess this up. So I don't wanna put in so much effort into getting the car super, super cherry for a drift car, especially if it's not gonna be like in a show and stuff like that. Actually, we are gonna fix them. We're in the middle of fixing them right now, so don't worry. So it is now time to lay some color on the jams. We're gonna go ahead and just throw it in the gun. Got the correct color this time, so we're gonna lay some color right now.
So Blaine just finished laying down the base and then he mixed his pearl up with the clear. It's a really pretty pearl and it really changes the color. It's the same one that we tried to use on that orange test panel, and it really transforms the color and makes it look really pretty. So Blaine's starting to lay it down and then we can take a look.
I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit.
So we let the paint dry up a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and finish off this video. Give you guys a look at the color. Pretty stoked that we were able to get the color that we wanted, and it actually looks really, really good. So if you guys come and check this out. Check this out, guys. It might be hard to see on camera.
Yeah, but we'll see if we can.
See the pearl? Hopefully.
It doesn't look like you can see it, but hopefully.
Yeah, so like I said, that turned out better than we thought it was gonna turn out. So we're super stoked on that. We're gonna go ahead and clean up right now because we're gonna go head out to dinner. So we're eating at Orange's for dinner. Eating some raw wasabi taco. So good. Cheers.
Here, cheers. Happy birthday, Blaine.
Thank you.
Oh, happy birthday!
Thank you. My
His
birthday.
birthday